early. 145. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2. That was luck, but I did get it. 232. Got it right there, and they're in there. That was a 106. I believe it's these two, not sure, maybe these two. Good hit. Saw that one. I know right where that went. That was a 7.5. And that is this one right here. The hits. Oh wow. 357. Got the hits. Had a little bit of trigger freeze, but I got them. '89. I think I got the hit. Yes, I did. Pretty sure it's this one, maybe this one. I don't know the total round count. That was a 89. I think it's 18. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15, 16, 17.